Hey so everybody's, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Tashia Perez, and for today's video I'm going to be using the Boxy charm. This is the June box, which their theme is Caribbean Queen. Currently right now I'm doing my brows and I'm using the BH Cosmetics HD brow pencil, and believe this is dark brown. This has been my go-to brow pencil. It's quick, easy, and does the job. But what I like to do after is just set it with the brow gel. What I'm currently doing is just basically priming my eyes, and what I'm priming my eyes with is the LA Girls Pro Conceal Concealer, and this was in the shade Classic Ivory. Now I'm going in with the GlamMarie Cosmetics palette, and I'm going in with Cocoa Taxi as my transition shade. And I'm just going to go ahead from my inner and outer corner, and I'm going to build up the intensity of the shadow so I can get the desired way I want. Now I'm going in with the shade Tropico, and I'm going to put that right under Cocoa Taxi and build up the shade, the intensity, and you know, kind of like smoke it out a little bit. Doing the same exact thing, inner and outer corner, getting it more defined into my crease. Just taking Cocoa Taxi again, and I'm putting it right on top of the shade Tropico. What I'm doing with the shade Cocoa Taxi is helping it blend out the shade Tropico, so making sure that there's no harsh lines. Now I'm just taking the shade Cafecito, and I'm going to put that right onto my lid in a patting motion, and I'm going to smoke out the color, get that right into my crease as well, but not too far up. Now I'm taking the shade Melicon. I might be saying the name wrong, do not judge me. I do not speak Spanish at all, so I'm trying here. But I'm taking that shade and putting that onto my lid, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out into my crease. Make sure there's no harshness there, and blending the shade Cafecito and Melicon together. Let me tell you, that shade, I'm in love with it, along with all the other shimmer shades in that palette. Now all I'm doing is taking the Perfect Cosmetics Real Mascara. This has been my go-to mascara. Now I'm taking the lashes that were in the Boxy charm. I am loving these lashes. They're so subtle, but they have that little drama there. And I took my e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer and e.l.f. Hydrating Under Eye Primer alongside with my e.l.f. Primer Mist. Yes, that was a lot of e.l.f. products. And I just set my whole face with that, with the Cover FX Blurring Primer. Then I took my Milani's 2-in-1 Corrector Foundation and my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and I mixed those two together because I wanted a bronzy tan kind of look. And I'm just going ahead and using a BH Cosmetics Kabuki brush. Using my two favorite all-time products, which is my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer and my Wet n Wild Contour Stick, and I'm going to go ahead and sculpt and highlight my face. So as of lately, I've been highlighting and contouring my face completely different when it comes to the cream contour part, and especially when it comes to the powder contour part, but I've been doing it completely different. I love the results of it. My jawline, cheekbones looks more defined, and it has more of a beautiful finish to it. So if you guys want a more in-depth highlighted and contour look for my face type, or just because you want to see how I did it on myself, just let me know and I'll drop one of those videos down for you. Now I'm going to be using my tried and true Ride or Die loose face powder to go ahead and set my face. I am stuck to this powder. I need a new powder to use. So if you guys have any recommendations on new setting powders that do not leave a white cast, let me know, because I need to just drive myself away from this powder, even though it's my favorite. I want to try something new, so let me know what you got. Now I'm going in with my Beauty Essentials, Bronze Essentials, Beauty Basics, Bronze Essentials, Bronze Palette. Damn, that was a tongue twister. And I'm going to go ahead and bronze my face. Now I'm going with BH Cosmetics Forever New Sculpt and Glow palette. And I'm just going to use everything in there except for the highlight to go ahead and contour and give my face some color. You know, the regular schmegular stuff. You guys, let me just say, if you guys do not have this palette from BH Cosmetics, the Sculpt and Glow Forever New palette, you guys should definitely get it. It gives you a nice natural glow if you don't want to add the highlight. But yes, if you see the glow on my face right now, that's just from that palette in itself. Now all I did was just dust off the loose face powder that I did to get a more sculpted look. And I'm doing the BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlight Palette. And I'm going to use that glow all the way to the right that you saw me point to. I don't know the exact name. I go ahead and add all the shadows that I use on the top of my lid to go ahead and smoke out my bottom lash line. And I'm going ahead and use the Offer liquid lipstick and the liner that came in a Boxy charm. And I'm going to go ahead and blend it out, give it like an almost ombre kind of lip look, which I was totally digging. On my face, I was going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, but it was finished. That was my exact reaction right there. When I didn't realize that it was done, I was really upset. But I set my face with the e.l.f. Setting Mist. And then this is the finished look right here. This beautiful Caribbean eye from the Armani Cosmetics palette. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.